Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 11th to the 23rd. For July 11th to the 15th, we're still forecasting this ridge over Alaska. This will gradually weaken in this period and be replaced by a trough. And then we have a trough here over the northwest with the broad ridge across southern U.S. or across much of the nation with the westerlies to the north. Okay, regarding the system forecast to develop over the Gulf, model consensus is poor, but the models have trended west in the guidance, and the system's forecast to generate heavy rainfall along and inland the Gulf Coast. We're going to look at that. We're going to start with tomorrow, 2 a.m. And you can see we have a low pressure system here. Here's rainfall, pockets of heavy rain. This is GFS. Then we look at the European. The European is slightly more to the west, as I said, and then we'll go to 8 p.m. Now it's more inland here over the Florida Panhandle and parts of Alabama. Heavy rain here to the west of the center. That's the GFS. Here's the European, more to the south developing, and then heavy rains to the south. And then we go to, we'll say 2 p.m. on Thursday. You can see this is European. Now we have rainfall to the south, heavy rain offshore. And then we'll look at the European at the same time. They're kind of similar. Well, the GFS is more to the south, but this system's forecast to meander over the northeast Gulf. And a system will cause showers and thunderstorms over the northeast and the mid-Atlantic late in the week. Some showers and storms will accompany another frontal boundary tracking into the northern plains into the east late week through the weekend. And portions of the Rockies may experience scattered diurnal activity. Okay, regarding this system, is forecast to form on Wednesday, as I show, and conditions are favorable for tropical depression to form by the end of the week, while the low moves slowly westward over the northern Gulf of Mexico. Okay, back to the forecast. This is for July 14th to the 18th, and models are indicating a similar pattern from the previous period. Still have a weakening ridge here, trough being will replace this ridge, and we have a trough over the northwest, broad ridge across much of the nation with above normal heights. So with this forecast, the model is good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal. The greater anomalies will be over the west. And for precipitation, depending on what happens with that system over the Gulf, forecasting above normal precipitation here and for the southeast, and the probability of occurrence is about 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation here and portions of the Rockies. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for July 19th to the 23rd. Little overall change is forecast in the pattern. Still have a broad ridge covering much of the nation. So for this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures for portions of the northwest, and I'm forecasting anomalies of about 4 degrees below normal, and then above normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for much of this region, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's all for now, and we'll keep an eye on the tropics That's all for now, and have a good day.